Okay, guys, tomorrow will be officially my birthday, and I don't know why, but like I get nervous for my birthday now. Like I used to get happy, but like I feel like I've gotten to the point where like I get nervous for surprises or just I don't know, just getting anything period. So now I'm driving to go get my nails done because y'all know I need my nails done so bad. Like, okay, guys, the golf cart people. But yeah, so I need my nails done. So you guys are gonna come along with me to go get my nails done. I already know what I want, so.
Very happy birthday.
Thank you. Look, guys.
See? Yeah.
I love it. Ouch. She almost broke it in half.
Yeah, I think that.
Okay. We're taking Instagram pictures.
Let me see. Ôi trời ơi. Hello?
Hello.
Trời ơi, chút nữa, còn đang làm chưa xong, chút nữa. That's my son. My son saying, what happened?
Everybody okay?
My son. Man, mommy, where you go?
I'm going to Kenya's birthday party.
Yeah, birthday party, Kenya. Birthday party, Kenya.
Look at me.
I think up there.
Oh. Put your flash on.
I think the up better, right? No.
Or flash?
Let me see.
You guys. I've been here since what? Been here since 5 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock at night.
Did you come here 6 o'clock? Now, what time?
10, almost 10 o'clock. I like those. Those are pretty. Okay, you guys, we got our nails done. I am so excited, but like I probably shouldn't be doing what I'm doing now, but look at this. We finally got 10 nails, y'all. Okay, so I got my water. I'm gonna use 2 cups of the water and I'm gonna pour it in like so. Then I got my coffee holder or carrier or packer or whatever you want to call it. My coffee, and I'm going to pack it in. Hopefully I don't make a mess. So try to pack in as much as I can. Well, no, it has a 1 and a 2. So what I'm gonna do is use my favorite creamer, sugar-free. Yeah, put that in there. Get my shots. And I think I'm gonna have mine as is. And I'ma stay.
I said, let's get ratchet on your birthday, baby.
Where we at, baby?
Same page.
I love it. Come on. I need some light behind it. You're welcome.
Thank you, thank you. We at the Juicy. There it is. Mr. and Mrs. Crab.
How many times did we pass this?
I think it's new. I just passed it going to the Walmart one day. I was like, oh man.
It is
she's gonna love that.
it is so lit. Look at this, guys. Don't drop it because I don't have my thing.
I ain't never dropped nothing in my life.
You excited? It's Mommy's birthday.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
Happy birthday, Mommy. He's like, I just want to eat something. I just want to eat something.
Xander, say happy birthday, Mommy.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
Thank you, guys.
Say happy birthday, Mommy.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Oh, he looks so excited. Happy birthday, baby.
I'm so excited. I wonder if I'm gonna get my little.
We're
Huh?
gonna do the happy birthday UK.
Yeah, baby.
Wow.
You wanna eat? You hungry?
Yeah.
You're not hungry? Love, you hungry? You not hungry? You thirsty?
You go ahead.
I'm sorry. Sorry. Oh, baby.
Daddy.
Want some more candy, buddy?
Yeah, that's kind of intimidating.
So they eat in Maryland.
Crab in real life.
Yeah, like, look at this. I don't even know how to eat it.
Take that bitch apart. Surgical. You gotta do surgery on it, baby.
Then, I got motherfucking, I got a green mussel.
Okay, man. You'll be, okay, man.
Uh-huh.
What's he doing?
Oh, he got catfish.
What's that?
What? Fish.
Here you go, Mama.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's a hush puppy. Any more hush puppies? 'Cause I do want one.
Hush, puppy.
Oh, I see what they call them. Hush puppies, so they're really good. And then you say,
Look at this. I don't even know how to eat it. I got two big bodies over here. It's lit. Wow. I am under the sea. Under the sea. Where the watermelons grow.
Nice aerial.
Now you're gonna see my food. I'm telling you. This is so good. Spicy. We got eggs. These things are so big.
Oh, yummy.
Oh my god.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how good is it?
We're at about a 10. Did you eat all your legs?
No. Oh, like finish one in my body. I can't handle it.
So you hide?
Yeah. I feel like I need to use my hands now.
Use it.
I was looking for. I should have just. Oh man. Glad I didn't get it on me.
Eat all that?
Huh?
Can you eat all that?
Did I eat
done?
them?
Can you eat all of it?
No. Sweet.
Juicy?
Oh my god. I think I bit off more than I could chew. Get that meat out. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I don't know, guys.
Hey, hey, let's go.
Oh, wow. I don't know which way to go. Babe.
What up?
Look at all the, what the heck? I don't know what is.
It's so cool.
Oh my god. It's sweet. It is sweet. It's tender. It's just different. I don't know how people eat it.
Zaire, stop. Sit down.
I don't know. I don't know. I gotta go for what I know. Huh? Yeah, baby. Yeah.
What is Ybor City?